Once upon a time in a small village in China, there lived a young man named Lai Wai. Lai Wai worked tirelessly day and night, laboring in the fields to support his family. His days were filled with toil, and he rarely had a moment to rest or relax. One evening, after a particularly exhausting day, Lai Wai sat under a large cherry blossom tree, feeling completely drained. As he gazed at the serene landscape around him, he longed for a way to find inner peace and rejuvenation. Little did he know that his wish was about to come true. Suddenly, an old monk named Master Chen appeared before Lai Wai. The monk had a gentle smile on his face, and his eyes sparkled with wisdom. Master Chen had been observing Lai Wai's struggles and recognized the exhaustion in his eyes. "Dear young man, I can see that you're tired and seeking solace," said Master Chen. "I have a practice that can help you find inner peace and restore your energy. It is called meditation." Intrigued, Lai Wai looked at the old monk with curiosity. "How does this meditation work?" he asked. Master Chen beckoned Lai Wai to follow him to a nearby temple nestled atop a lush green hill. As they entered the temple, a sense of tranquility enveloped them. Inside, they found a quiet room adorned with incense and soft cushions for meditation. Master Chen guided Lai Wai to sit comfortably on a cushion, cross-legged. He encouraged Lai Wai to straighten his back, relax his muscles, and gently close his eyes. Then the old monk began to explain the process of meditation. "Focus your attention on your breath," Master Chen instructed. "Feel the air entering your nostrils as you inhale, and notice the sensation as you exhale. Let your breath become your anchor in the present moment." Lai Wai followed the monk's guidance and began to concentrate on his breath. At first, his mind was restless, jumping from one thought to another. But with patience and practice, he gradually started to find a stillness within. Master Chen encouraged Lai Wai to observe his thoughts without judgment, letting them come and go like passing clouds. He emphasized the importance of returning his attention to the breath whenever the mind wandered. As Lai Wai persisted in his meditation practice, he discovered a profound sense of calmness and clarity. With each session, his tiredness seemed to fade away, replaced by renewed vitality and inner peace. Days turned into weeks, and Lai Wai continued to meditate under Master Chen's guidance. The practice became a part of his daily routine, a source of solace and rejuvenation amidst his demanding work. Over time, Lai Wai noticed that not only did he feel more energized, but he also developed a greater capacity for patience and understanding. His relationships with his family and friends improved, and he faced challenges with a newfound resilience. Through the guidance of Master Chen and his dedication to meditation, Lai Wai experienced a profound transformation. He realized that true rest and rejuvenation came from within, and that meditation was the key to unlocking that inner peace. Lai Wai's story spread throughout the village, inspiring others to explore the practice of meditation. And as more people discovered the transformative power of meditation, the village blossomed into a community of calmness and harmony. From that day forward, Lai Wai continued his journey, sharing the teachings of meditation with others and reminding them that amidst life's challenges, peace and tranquility can always be found within.